If you are making $100 to $200 online, this video is not actually for you. But if you are not making any money online and you really want to know how to make money online, this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to show you steps on how you can make money online from scratch. There are a lot of videos out there telling you how you can make money online without giving you the proven strategy. So today, I'm going to show you the proven 4 steps I use to make money online. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video and I will show you everything you need to know. The first step for you to make money online is for you to identify your skill. You cannot just come online to make money without knowing what you want to do. So if you are online and you want to make money, you must have a skill like affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or content creating. There must be a specific way for you to make money. For me, the first way I make money online was for me to do affiliate marketing. And if you want to start with affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You are going to take the exact course I take in order for me to get this done. This is the easiest way that will give you quick money with little capital. The second thing you need to do is for you to choose a platform. To me, I was doing affiliate marketing and I was dealing with organic traffic. So if you really want to do affiliate marketing and you want to make more sales, it's not by your paid campaign. Your paid campaign can be delayed, but your organic traffic is going to give you a long-term success. Like making a video about the product you use, just as I did, telling people how good it is, referring them to buy the product and you earn a commission. That is the simple ways of making money organically. You can do it through blog posts or YouTube videos or Facebook videos and post it in your page, which will attract people from the search engine or any other ways for them to get to know and see your content in order for them to buy your products. The third step is for you to create a portfolio or online presence. You cannot just be at home without doing anything and you start making money online. You must build your online presence, making videos, talking about your product and selling them to the right audience. So creating content like YouTube videos and other things can always make you have targeting customer to buy your product or targeting people to render your service for. So the third way is for you to create online presence, making content, posting, making blog posts and every other thing in order for you to track organic traffic to your product. This is the simplest way of making money online without spending much money on ads. Then the fourth step is for you to monetize your effort. You cannot just make all this video without monetizing it. You are going to sell a product you are using, because if you sell a product you are using, you are going to test this product and know that this product is good. Like to me, I would recommend you to buy the affiliate marketing course I took in order for me to be successful in affiliate marketing. If you want to do affiliate marketing, I would recommend you use the link in the description of my video in order for you to get access to these tools that will teach you the correct way of doing affiliate marketing. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new updates. For that being said, and I'll see you in the next video.